Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Sandy. All right, switchbacks. I'm catching you. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm good. It's a gnarly trail. Oh. Oh, no. No foot. Excuse us, thank you. Yeah, it was so hard to ride up this trail. Not bad. Did I get you? Woo! I need new brake pads. Killing it. Oh, this corner. I forgot. I'm sneaking in here. That was gonna be a cool shot. Oh man, what a trail. Whew, I almost caught that rock. Oh man, that was fun. Whew. You ready to keep rolling? Have a good ride, guys.
Yeah, you guys take care. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. You got it? Oh yeah, send it, brother.
Howdy ho.
Howdy.
Hey.
Ooh, wrong gear to get Sandy. Hey! Woo! Oh yeah, I forgot. This section's fun. And to the beach. And then we're climbing again. God. Yeah. Yeah, you can go from dirt jumper to climber in like 2.5 seconds. I don't think I've ever climbed this. Yeah, it was like 70 degrees. All right, that kicked my butt. You get a little sweat coming off your nose.
Everywhere. The last part is like straight beach, dude.
It's a beach? It's a beach. Yep, it's like freaking sand. Oh. Oh, oh, that almost didn't work.
Oh, wait. Fuck, we go right.
Yeah, wild turkey. Upper Rock Garden or Beeling?
Feeling.
Woo! What about that light?
Or we can go to the top.
What I'm thinking, that sunlight looks so dope right now. I just want to ride back down that way.
Alright.
You down for that?
Yeah.
And we ride about the same speed, so. Sick. This is sunset. Sunset on Sunset South. Beautiful. Hey! That was so fun. Woo! Yeah! Whoa! Look at all that fun! That was sick. Wow. Hello. Ah, that's so sick. Ho-ho! Oh my God. Just ripping. Oh. Wow. That was fun. Oh, excuse us. Thank you. Some of these corners, you can just lay the bike into them. Ooh. Thought I was going over the bars there. That was perfect timing for the last bit of light.
Dude.
You were ripping down that. I couldn't keep up with you in a few spots.
Dude, I was just like trusting my tires, like no brakes around turns.
Yeah.
They get really rocky. I just get like as low as possible. I'm just
We're done.
so sick.
I wonder how many miles we rode.
5.7.
5.5, 6 mile ride. Not bad. Not bad at all. So we climbed up. What did we climb up? We climbed up the easy way.
Then we went up Horseshoe.
Rode.
Went around Horseshoe.
Went down Horseshoe for a little bit.
Went up half of Turkey.
Wild Turkey, right?
And then
We came back down. That was sunset the whole way down. Oh, you're going that way? There you go.
Dude. Solid ride.
Solid ride.
I'm dead.
So dead.
Backyard.
That was a good ride. Should I try to attempt to ride down one-handed? All right. Oh shit, slipped a pedal. It was still good.
I can't keep pedaling up there. Perfect time.
That's normally what happens on that trail. Dude, yeah, we were sending it. Be careful.
I was in control.
I had no worries. I knew you would make it down. That's why I was like, go in front.